Escalante now. I was hoping to do one more backpacking trip here, but there's some bad weather coming in and I would have had to sort of wait out the storm for a couple more days and just didn't really want to do that, so decided to continue east. My plan now is to drive for about an hour and a half or so and then stop for a couple days at Capitol Reef National Park. Just made it to my campsite here in the National Forest, which is just outside of Capitol Reef National Park. I have done no planning. I don't even know what this national park is all about, so I better do a little bit of that in the afternoon here. And then hopefully get some good photos eventually. It is terribly early, but I'm just making my way through the national park now. From what I gathered yesterday, there's not really one or two sort of must-see landmarks here. It's more of just kind of a unique landscape throughout. And so I don't have a destination in mind here for this drive. I'm just gonna sort of wander around and hopefully find something pretty cool to shoot as the morning unfolds. I just pulled over here and there's this totally awesome, like massive tower just sticking up right in the middle of the valley, and it's still really dark out, but I'm thinking it could be nice to shoot when the sun rises, or maybe even a little before during blue hour. So I think I'll just wait here for a little bit till it starts to get light out. You know, I just can't help it. I gotta go shoot that right now. It's still almost totally dark, but even in the nighttime, I think it's gonna make for a good shot. Well, this field that's kind of surrounds this big tower is not the most spectacular looking thing, so because of that I'm gonna still use the wide angle lens but zoom in a bit more and not be super low to the ground, so the focus is more on the cool tower and less on the immediate foreground. I love how there's just that one bright star aligned directly above the tower. It's just perfect. Settings on this shot are a little bit darker than a normal night photo, so we've got ISO 1600, 13-second shutter, and f4, and that's getting the right exposure. Oh, that's crazy. That bright star is actually Jupiter, and you can, in the photo, you can see just a little faint trace of the Milky Way that pretty much aligns also directly with the top of the tower. That is awesome. Lucky composition here, but it's working out. Getting a bit brighter on the horizon now. Still probably got about 45 minutes until sunrise, so now I'm actually gonna wait for a little bit in the car. Hopefully get some more good shots soon. Just did a bit more driving around. Found this cool spot up here. You got the nice huge rock or tower, and then the road kind of going off to the left, which is cool. It's just about blue hour now. I'm gonna run back down to the car and then drive along the road. And I'll have the camera set on timer, taking photos every 5 seconds, so it'll get the car kind of winding through the shot. Should be pretty cool. Those are pretty sweet. I like them. Right now is about when the sun is supposed to rise, around 6:45, and sadly the whole eastern horizon is just covered in a cloud bank. So just kind of moving on from this spot. I'm gonna keep driving around, hopefully get some nice lighter, colorful clouds eventually. No matter what though, pretty cool through here. So the sun, it's really pretty, but it's not really lighting up any clouds, and it's hard to sort of see a whole scene come together here. So I think this is a good time to just sort of stop and take out the zoom lens and look for more detailed, almost sort of abstract shots that are, you know, really just kind of picking out little areas of the whole landscape here. So I'll just shoot around for a bit, see if I can come up with anything. Pretty good morning of shooting. Don't know that I got anything that was crazy, insane, photo of a lifetime, but it was fun to come out here. Just gonna head back to my campsite now. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.